Guys, do you remember my old videos with the road roller? They all on the channel, by the way. And you all liked my videos where I tried to stretch the Stretch Armstrong toy with the help of two cars. And I was thinking, what if I run over a Stretch Armstrong toy by a road roller that weighs 12 tons? And the road roller driver even allowed me to drive it a little. That was so fun. Okay, ideas from the past video. I will definitely do it, I promise you. I'll do this next week too. And guys, say hi to this guy. And here is our driver. It's time to start. Seems like Stretch Armstrong is ready. What do you think will happen to him? But first, let's check, just to see if it works and whether it will cope with these stress balls. Holy it seems everything works. Although stress balls looks like new. Guys, wish good luck to Stretch Armstrong. Holy, that must be painful. Just look at his face. It seems the road roller won. And you know what? I literally had to tear off the Stretch Armstrong from the road. So guys, like the last time, I will show in my next videos the most crazy unusual ideas for my next experiments, so be sure to share your thoughts. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.